Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them to fit what you want would be like trying to change a dog into a cat or a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 98, NASDAQ off 10, S&P's off 9.5. Gold contract flat at $1,670 an ounce. Silver, $31.19 an ounce. Platinum flat. No, platinum was down a good 20 bucks at $1,592 an ounce. Copper off 4 pennies at $3.60 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.58, trading out at $89.51 a barrel. Bonds up 17 ticks at 146.17. King dollar down 4 ticks at 79.34. Euro up 16, trading out at 132.45. And the yen up 21, getting weaker again at 84.43. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do we have? Okay. I'll tell you, it's a wild one, folks. This is what you have. Now, what we did yesterday is that yesterday we got over the 1438.59 swing. Now, we did that with volume, okay? So that was a small swing. We had still come down from the higher swing from the 1474 with big volume. Bottom line, when you get over a swing with volume, it's like, hey, you can get higher. Well, you know what? You got a tick higher out here today, and it couldn't handle it. We did 738 million shares, and you are back inside the 1438. So what does it set up? It sets up, yeah, we're going to try to get into the 1411 area. That's on your S&P. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. It's the same setup in the Dow. What we have with the Dow, Dow basically gave back everything that it had out here today, and it's in the lower range. In the lower range, saying, hey, guess what? We'll see. Okay, so it's Wednesday in the last trading week, realistic of the year. That's going to have real action. The correlation tomorrow is going to be this, is that we did 738 million today. This is going to have to back down on more than basically about 800 million in order to break into this 13,118 level. And if we do, I did the show with Steve this morning, and Steve was bringing up this morning that the New York Composite, what the New York Composite did, folks, is this. New York Composite was the only indice that actually got to the highs that were generated out there, which is the 85.19 area, 15 area. And what it did is that it got to 89.19. It closed at 84.66. And we basically, what happens, I won't get the composite value, mean volume until tomorrow. But at this point, yes, the composite did test it, did fail on price. You know, we'll have the volume characteristic. I actually get it when I'm about 8 o'clock tonight. NASDAQ composite. What the composite did is this. Composite did 1.9 billion shares, gets over the high, closes underneath it. The composite right now is at 3044. Now, what the composite has to do, the composite is not back inside the lower range yet. The lower range for the composite is 3035. If we take a look at the SPY next, the SPY, what you'll see in the SPY right now is trading at 144.29, and that did get back inside the range. The 3Qs, we go look at the 3Qs. What the 3Qs did, she closed at 66.26, and she's back inside them also. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go to Jack in Colorado. Hey, Jack, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how you doing? Haven't talked to you in a long time.
I'm doing great, man. How you been?
I'm doing okay, man.
Cool.
Okay. We're getting pounded today. First time we've had some snow all year.
Oh, you got white gold happening, man.
White gold.
That's a beautiful thing.
15 degrees, and first time we've had really cold weather, and even the mountains haven't had any snow.
Oh, that's good. You're getting it right before the holidays. You Get all those people
yeah,
out there
we need it,
skiing.
because next year, fire season, man, we're going to burn up.
Oh, that too. Yeah, that's huge, man. That's huge.
Yeah, we need it really bad, man. So give us some white light.
Totally. Well, we're getting white light and white snow. How's that?
And together.
That together, no doubt. Cooking.
Christmas? You ready for Christmas?
You know what? I'm going to be ready. I'm not ready yet.
All right, maybe Santa Claus can bring us all some good trades, huh?
That'd be a beautiful thing. That totally.
Yeah, man.
I like that.
I was asking you about SAND, and I was wondering if you thought where this might be a buy. I was looking at that November 15th high bar, and I was wondering if you thought it was going to maybe consolidate below that, or...
Let's take a look. You get SAND, folks, is Sandstop Gold. They acquire gold purchase agreements, kind of like a royalty company. The low is $5.56. The high is $15.45. Okay, so what price point you looking at?
I'm looking at the November 15th high bar on that down.
Oh yeah, no, it's going a lot lower than that. No, don't look at that bar. Okay, okay, so we put this back a year. What you have here is this. This equity had a nice expansion up, comes off the high with vicious volume. First a leg down, 2.5 million. Next leg down, 2.6 million. That second leg down, what happened there, Jack, is that broke the whole ball of wax here. You know, this baby's going to try to make its way back into, well, it's not that bad, I guess. Yeah, it's really, 957. You know, and it very well could be a really large ABC down, man. You know, there's something that's not right here on this equity. You know.
Okay.
It took forever. Not forever. I mean, a nice trend on the way up, but you can see how it's traded down. You never want to see an equity trade down hard with the type of volume that this had. You know, you had volume off the top, and this is a classic volume off the top, folks. It went from 15 to 13, comes down with 7.6 million. Next leg down, 7.5 million. You know, this isn't over yet, man. Don't. When you see something like this, what you do is that you let it bottom first, right? And how you know it bottomed, that first it has to test the bottom, then it has to come off the bottom with strength. You know, this looks to me like this equity is basically broken and can get down even to 750 or something. Okay. Okay, man.
Let me ask you, wait.
Sure, go ahead.
What do you think is going on with silver? Where do you think we're going with the metal?
The metals right now, let's pull up silver. So we have SIH3, okay? And this is where the disconnect is in the marketplace, folks. And my take is that the market's continually going to go lower. Dollar wants to go higher. And what that's all about is silver and gold are coming into lows. You know, the gold's already at its, already broke its swing point. Silver looks like it's going to break it tomorrow, So this correction isn't even close. Silver wants to go to $28.
Wow.
But that's not that much. I mean, that's what happens.
Yeah. All right. Well, Tom, you have a Merry Christmas. Thank you, man.
Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. And that disconnect out there, folks, happens to be this. So watch this. We go over to the dollar. The dollar hasn't moved, folks. In fact, no, the dollar's moved. The dollar's moved lower. Now, it's possible that the dollar right now bottomed. What we did today is that we did 31,000 contracts. It rejected lower price. We closed at 79.34. And the reason I'm getting that is that gold has been coming up back with volume. The dollar hasn't. If we go over to the bond market, look at the bond market, what had happened with the bond market today is that the bond market started moving higher once again. The bond doesn't have that much strength, though. The bond was up 18 ticks at 146.16. But I can tell you the bottom line is that we've been in a commodity market. I think we're still in a commodity market. And when you see gold go south like it has gone south, and you see the equities go south, there's only so much longer that the actual market itself can stay higher. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Don't forget, folks, if you want to make 25% on your money, well, this is the last day you can do it. What I mean specifically, that's the Tiger Dollar deal. And the amount of savings that you can do, let's say you've got my newsletter for a year, you buy Target dollars, you'll actually save about $800. Check it out on the front page of TFNN. We're going to be coming right back, folks.